BA stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. So just looking at Boeing company, I have to say that this is how my charts look like. It's dark too, like dark drawings, because I haven't made a video in a while and I changed my theme. But high time frame, yes, I'm still open-minded for longs, but do I think that this is the season? We'll see. In this case, I'm looking at this and I'm still kind of guess like a supply zone, but in a different type of way, right? Like I'm not like a real supply, which in this case it just kind of has previous targets and previous heights, but there's a lot of liquidity from. And me looking at Boeing, only if I see the price kind of correcting down, filling in a little gap, or more so tapping inside this gap, only then I'm going to look to further take things up. And if it does not pull down and show me any sort of shift, then you bet I'm not going to buy, you know, even though this is a 30-minute chart, and this will probably take a little bit being patient from you, right? But it is what it is, right? There's a lot of other ticker symbols that keep an eye on, but if you want to stay tuned with BA, because there's new candles every single day, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one.